sun bridge. Starts with a tombe. Your arm that's tombe goes out. Next is a pas de bourrée. So close in susu. Go out, back in susu. Your other arm is out. And now your plie, both arms go down. This is your glissade. Open and close back where you came from. Your arms go out and in. Next is jeté at 45 degrees. Jump. From here, you already step through, your arms go down. You step again with a jump in coupe, and you extend your other leg down to go the way you need to go next. Continuing, tombe the other way. Arm follows. Pas de bourrée, susu. Open, your arm opens. Plie for your glissade, it closes. Glissade, come back where you came from. Your arms float out and then in. Jeté here with cloud arms. And you stay. This one does not switch. Good job.